Bagyong Nika, napanatili ang lakas ngunit posibleng maging typhoon mamaya, signal number 2, nadagdagan pa. Update, Severe Tropical Storm Nika, #TorAji. As of 5:50 p.m., November 10, 2024, Sunday. Location of Center, 5 p.m., 380 km east of Infanta, Quezon, 15.2 degrees north, 125.2 degrees east. 10 mean sustained winds, Pagasa, 110 km per hour near the center. 10 mean gust inus, Pagasa, up to 135 km per hour. Movement, westward at 20 km per hour. Central pressure, 980 hectopascals. Tropical cyclone wind signal number 2. Northern portion of Aurora, Dilasag, Kasiguran, Dinalungan, Dipakulaw, Maria Aurora, Baler. Isabela, Quirino. Southern portion of mainland Cagayan, Solana, Igig, Peñablanca, Tuguegarao City, Enrile, Baggao, Alcala, Amulong, Santo Niño, Rizal, Piat, Tuo, Gataran, Lasam. Nueva Vizcaya. Southern portion of Apayao, Cabugao, Conner, Flora, Pudtul. Abra, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet. Northern portion of Nueva Ecija, Caranglan, Pantabangan, Lupao, San Jose City. Southern portion of Ilocos Sur, Narvacan, Nagbukel, Cervantes, Quirino, San Emilio, Santa Maria, Burgos, San Esteban, Santiago, Lidlida, Banayoyo, City of Candon, Galimuyod, Salcedo, Gregorio del Pilar, Sigay, Santa Lucia, Santa Cruz, Suyo, Alilem, Tagudin, Sugpon. La Union. Northeastern portion of Pangasinan, San Nicolas, Natividad, San Quintin, Sison, San Manuel, Umingan, Tayog. Tropical cyclone wind signal number 1. Rest of Cagayan including Babuyan Islands. Rest of Apayao, Ilocos Norte, rest of Ilocos Sur, rest of Pangasinan, rest of Aurora, Tarlac. Northern and central portions of Zambales, Santa Cruz, Candelaria, Masinloc, Palawig, Iba, Botolan, Cabangan, San Marcelino, San Felipe, San Narciso. Rest of Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Bulacan, Metro Manila, Rizal. Eastern portion of Laguna, Santa Maria, Mabitac, Caquil, Pangil, Fami, Siniloan, Paete, Kalayaan, Cavinti, Lumban, Louisiana, Santa Cruz, Magdalena, Pagsanhan, Mahayhay, Liliu, Nagcarlan, Pila, Victoria. Eastern portion of Quezon, Calawag, Ginyangan, Tagkawayan, Pitogo, San Andres, Buenavista, San Francisco, Pagbilao, Infanta, Lopez, Catanawan, Mulanay, Unisan, General Luna, Plaridel, Quezon, Alabat, Sampaloc, Padre Burgos, Macalelon, Mauban, Perez, Agdangan, Gumaca, Atimonan, Real, San Narciso, General Nakar, Lukban, City of Tayabas, Lucena City, including Polillo Islands. Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, northeastern portion of Albay, Malinao, Tiwi, Bacacay, City of Tabaco, Malilipot, Rapu-Rapu. Ang pinakamataas na tropical cyclone wind signal na itataas dahil sa bagyong Nika ay wind signal number 4. Ano ang inaasahan? Rainfall forecast. Ngayong hapon hanggang bukas ng hapon, November 10 hanggang 11. Heavy to intense rains, Aurora, Isabela. Moderate to heavy rains, Cagayan, Apayao, Abra, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Quezon, Catanduanes, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Northern Samar. Bukas ng hapon hanggang Martes ng hapon, November 11 hanggang 12. Intense to torrential rains, Cagayan, Isabela, Apayao, Kalinga, Aurora. Heavy to intense rains, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, Abra, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya. Moderate to heavy rains, Quezon, Tarlac, Pangasinan, La Union, Nueva Ecija. Martes ng hapon hanggang Miyerkules ng hapon, November 12 hanggang 13. Moderate to heavy rains, Apayao, Abra, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur. TAGBUGSO ng hangin. Dahil din sa northeasterly surface wind flow, inaasahan ang malakas pagbagso ng hangin sa mga nabanggit na lugar. Ngayong araw, November 10, Batanes. Bukas, November 11, Batanes, Batangas, Marinduque, Romblon, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes. Martes, November 12, Batanes, Cagayan including Babuyan Islands. Storm surge ODALUYONG at gale warning. Katamtaman hanggang sa mataas na tsansa ng DALUYONG katumbas Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Cagayan including Babuyan Islands, Isabela, Zambales, Aurora, Quezon including Polillo Islands, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes. Gale warning katumbas Eastern Luzon.